Hello. I'm sorry. I was reading an amazing book. Look, it's about five levels of leadership, and the other is how to analyze the environment of business. It's an amazing book, so I think it's very important to know the first step is what is the topic? Today the topic is the entrepreneurship. It's about how to change, maybe I think it's how to change our life and focus on business. For example, in this picture we can see a little clue words of this amazing topic. So let's start with, of course, I make a business, a creation, innovation, a something new, a lifetime, and of course, it's about money, dollars, million, and the other amazing words that we can find in this picture is the results, the outcomes, the service, problems, how to create examples, and in different type of words. So let's begin with the first aspect here. So these topics I think it's very important because the life it's about um, studying. Then if we acquire knowledge, we had to create something new. We had to make a little business about something different in the world. For example, make cupcakes and go to one physical space and make our business, right? Or maybe another things like make for example, tutorials or make a tutorials of teaching, makeup, anything. We can make anything in this aspect. So it's important to know this type of aspect. So first, we are going to see a little lesson plan of entrepreneurship. It's about my little market. So let's start with the first. I use these resources, Flipsnack, to show my information. The first aspect here is the warm-up and a little video of the history about accounting because it's important. Okay, we are going to make a business. That's is an important aspect. But before that, we have to know how to control this, as how to control the resources, the budget, all the all aspects. So it's important to know the history of accounting. Then here's we have the warm up. It's a little game of improv. Yes, we start here, read the instructions, and select the right picture. Now, important tips in this topic. The first, tips of business, aspects of accounting, what is the project, and the guideline. Next, here we have an important information of, for example, the aspect of accounting. What is a small business, how we are going to control the how to make the reports and other important aspects. This information I think is very important to know before to create a business. And the other aspect is a small tips of how to make a business and the process. The first, of course, we have to think what we are going to do. Then, is this possible? We can do it. We have, if we need something else, something resources, and make the structure. And of course, write on a paper to make the brainstorm. The other important aspect here we can find the budget, because it's important to know what, how we are going to use our money and which aspects. For example, if we are going to use an important book to know more about the topic, we can include the book on our budget. Yes. Or if we need another book, it's important to include. And here we can find the control aspect, control practice, sorry. It's to create a business plan. So it's a little step to start the project. In the other, and the other, it's the rubrics. Here I apply the rubric, how we are going to evaluate the project. So in the other aspects, I create my lesson plan of the indicators of my project, the web page, the warm up. Here's the presentation, the control practice, the free practice that it's about to create the business, and use, for example, the important aspects in this picture. I think this picture is very important to use. And at the end, the evaluation of the topic of the project, sorry, because we need to know what the other aspects, sorry, we can include. So this topic, entrepreneurship, it's important. Maybe it's a little difficult of or different of the other topics, but I think it's important to include to our students to learn about the how to make a business, how to apply, how to control, and how to make real. So thank you so much, and see you the next time.